In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an image as a background in Canva. Whether you're crafting a stunning Instagram post or designing any project, a captivating background can make all the difference. Let's dive into this simple yet effective process and transform your designs into something truly eye-catching. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. Open your preferred web browser and type in canva.com in the address bar. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. It's free and opens up a world of creative possibilities at your jaws of fingertips. For those who are already Canva users, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on Canva's homepage. This is your creative hub where all the magic happens. To start creating, you'll need to look for the Create button. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of design you want to create. For this tutorial, let's go with an Instagram post, but feel free to select any template that suits your project. Canva offers an extensive range of templates, catering to everything from social media graphics to presentations and beyond. Now that you have your blank canvas before you, it's time to bring in your image. You can either choose to upload an image from your device or browse through Canva's rich library under the Elements section. Canva boasts a wide array of free and premium images, so take some time to explore the options available to you. Once you've found or uploaded an image you'd like to use, click to select it. With your image placed on the canvas, draw your attention to the upper right section of the screen where you'll see a three-dot icon, commonly referred to as ellipses. Clicking on this brings up a variety of options, one of which is Set Image as Background. Select this option, and voila! Your image instantly becomes the background of your design, filling the entire space seamlessly. A quick tip: if your image doesn't fit perfectly, you can adjust it by simply dragging the corners until it aligns just right, giving your design a professional touch. Canva's intuitive interface allows for easy adjustments, ensuring your background looks exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to set an image as a background in Canva. This technique is a powerful way to enhance your creations, ensuring that your designs stand out on any platform. Experiment with different images and templates, and let your creativity flow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.